Mechanical Triage here with the Cadillac CTS. I've just replaced the alternator on this less than a week ago. It's dead. It's not putting out any voltage even from the post on the back of the alternator. Well, so I disconnect the battery and reconnect it, and all of a sudden the alternator's starting to put something out. What is it that I touched that caused it to start putting output? Nothing. It was nothing that I touched. Here's the weird one. You want to hear the answer? Here it is. So the duty cycle signal and the generator turn on signal go through the ECM. Sometimes the ECM decides that it doesn't want to know what the duty cycle is and it doesn't want to send a turn on signal. I'm not sure if we could jump it. If you disconnect the battery, you get about 2 to 3 days of drivability with the charging system. In the meantime, till I can find an answer, put the display on system voltage. If it's not charging, go disconnect the battery and wait 5 minutes. I'm doing more research and I'll get back to you guys with an answer when I figure it out. Don't forget to visit the website!